Okay, so standard 3 tells us that we have Jamie who's riding a Ferris wheel with a diameter of 10 and its center is 6 meters above the ground. Okay, and so it says that each revolution also takes 30 seconds, and it said that being more than 9 meters above the ground enables Jamie to see the ocean. So I'm just gonna draw this and say x equal is x9, so that's got to be 3, and the radius would be 5 because 10 is the diameter and the radius is half the diameter, so that's 5. And so this must be 5 to be the center. Okay, so we have our circle at 5, 6, set 5, 6 as the center, and we're looking for the x coordinate of 9. So we know from 3, 4, 5 triangles, from special right triangles, 3, a base with 3 and a hypotenuse of 5 would yield 4. Then x is 4, right? And so A is asking, how many seconds does Jamie see the ocean? So we can reflect that whole thing on the other side as well. So -4, 9. And so we want this whole space right here. Okay. So first we need to find these angles, this angle right here, so we can subtract 2 of that from 180. So you can do that with, I'm just gonna use sine because it's the easiest. Sine -1 of 3, because opposite hypotenuse, 3, 5, equals to, if you plug that into the calculator, that's approximately 36.87 degrees. So I'm just gonna write that down there. And on this side. And so 180 minus 2 of that, minus 2, equals to 106.26. Okay, so we're given the central angle right here is 106.26, and so we can set up a proportion where 106.26 acts as a fraction to find the amount of seconds that Jamie's gonna see the ocean for 5 minutes. So 1 revolution equals 30 seconds, and so that means that for 5 minutes it'll be 300 seconds. So cross, 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 cross. X is 88.5 seconds. Boom. For B, what graph is traced by the equation xy equals 5 sine 12t, comma 6 minus 5 cosine 12t. Well, that's just gonna make a circle with the center at 5, 6 and starting point 0, 5. And so how did the constants in this equation relate to Jamie's ride? So 5 is the x center, 6 is the y center, and then 12 is degrees per second. So every second you increase 12 degrees. And this is initially where Jamie starts off. And t equals seconds passed. So for C, it's asking what x, y equals 5 cosine 12t plus 90 and 6 plus 5 sine 12t plus 90, what that means. So that's also going to make the same size circle. Oh yeah, and this circle also has a radius of 5. Forgot. So that's going to make the same circle, 5, the center of 5, 6, and radius of 5. But this time the starting point is at 0, 11. So all the constants are the same, but the plus 90 means that it's about to start on the second quadrant, because, okay, if that's 0 right here, that's 0 degrees, and then that's 90. So you know that it's about to be on this, it's about to go like from here to there as compared to from this to there. So yeah. And t also represents seconds pass. But this time, but with going into the second quadrant. And so D is asking for a circle of radius 4 centered at -3, 2. So we can write, so it's asking for 2 parametric descriptions for a circle like that. And so from what we learned, we can make xy equals -3 plus 4 sine t, comma 2 plus 4 cosine t, and also xy equals -3 plus 4 cos t plus 90, and 2 plus 4 sine t plus 90. And that'll just make this circle right here. So the starting point of, let's say, equation A starts at A starts at right here, and equation B starts right here. So yeah, that is it.